Hi, this is Sharkade This video is to get you started with Morse Code World as it relates to the CWA fundamental curriculum, um, especially sessions 2, and 3. The first thing we're going to talk about is, well, first of all, you go to the website, which is morsecode.world, and this is the main screen that will come up. At the beginning of the fundamental curriculum, you're going to use it first in session 2, and they want you to go to International, go down to Training, go over to CW Academy English, and click on that. And it will take you to this screen. And for session 2, you want to go to Word List. And make sure you're on ready-made lists rather than upload or input. You want to come down here to the drop-down box and scroll until you find CW Academy Fundamental 2-letter words. And you click on that. And that will bring up this screen. It will show you all the words it's going to send you. And as we scroll down here, I usually have, under play options, I have it send it once each, so that is highlighted. Message modifier, I don't choose anything. Show and say before, I don't choose that because I want to hear it before I say it. Morse code play, I choose Morse and 1 count. And then recognition time, if you need a little extra time, you can increase this, but I usually just leave it as it is. Section 4 down here, I have it show me a flashcard after it sends the Morse so that I can see it and know that I did it right. So let's scroll back up here. And what you do is push play. And it sends the first word, and then it shows you in this box. And at this point, what I like to do is listen to it, and then think it in my head. What is it? That's ox, before it shows on the screen. And then after that, I like to send it. That way I get all my senses involved. I listen, I see it, and I send it. So you get the whole process, and I think that helps put it in your brain and keep it there better. And that's basically that section. The second thing I want to show you is from the CWA Fundamental Curriculum Session 3. And what they want you to do for that is you go back to the CW Academy English. Oops. And it'll bring up this screen. And you should see this box here where it has a session number. I don't know what number yours will come up as, but it wants you to be on session 7/13. And then go over here and select words. And then the playback settings, I do the same as the other one. I choose Morse and count under section 2. Recognition time, I leave it as it is. I have them show me the flashcard after. You can have it repeat it to you in words too, but that is distracting for me. But it might be good for you, you never know. And I don't usually choose the bell, and I don't usually have it repeat it. And then you come back up here and you push play. You can hear it set to you. Somewhere I didn't have a setting right and it repeated it, but I can push stop. And then what I like to do again is send it. And try and mimic exactly what you heard to the best of your ability, because that'll help you with your timing and spacing, so that you learn to send good code. And if you wanted to hear it again, you can play it again. If you want to go on to the next word, you click next. And then I would send it. And so on. It looks like there's 29 words that it will be sending you. And that's what you do with that section. One more thing I would like to show you to help you work on problem characters. If you have those letters that just torment you, that you seem to get wrong every time and you need better ICR on, go up here again to word list, and this time instead of ready-made list, click upload or input. And in this box you can type in all your problem characters. These are the ones that have always given me issues. So you type them in there. You can also I think you can load a list in from some other source if you want to. I believe there's a way to make it a audio file for yourself of that too, but I'm not entirely sure about how to do that. So anyway, you come down here, same play options, once each. They want to send me Morse. The time I don't change, but you can. Show the flashcard after. And then you push play. And it'll send you your letter and show it, and you can do it, repeat it. And then you can keep playing that one over and over until you get it, or you can hit next and it'll do the next one. And so on. And up here it will also show you how many times you've played each one. And then if you scroll all the way to the bottom when you're done, it'll show you each letter that you worked on, what speed you were at, and how many times you played it, if you want to look back on that information. And there's lots and lots of other practice tools and information in here if you want to play around with it, but for the purposes of this video, those are the things I wanted to cover. So thank you for watching. 73.